Hello student, today we are start a new unit alkaloid. Alkaloid means the term alkaloid or the alkali like was proposed by the pharmacist W. Mainzer in the 1819 for the basic nitrogen containing compound of a plant origin. The next point is the definition of alkaloid. Alkaloid are the organic product of natural or synthetic origin which are basic in nature and contain one or more nitrogen atom, normally of heterocyclic nature and having specific psychological action on human or animal body. There are three types of alkaloid, namely as true alkaloid. True alkaloid derived from amino acid having heterocyclic ring with a nitrogen. For example of true alkaloid, atropine, nicotine and morphine. Next, second type is the protoalkaloid. Protoalkaloid derived from amino acid but does not have heterocyclic ring with nitrogen. Nitrogen is in the side chain. For example of protoalkaloids, the mescaline, adrenaline and the epidrine. Third type is the pseudoalkaloid, not derived from the amino acid having heterocyclic ring with nitrogen. For example, conine, capsaicin, epidrine, solandine, caffeine, theobromine and pyridine. Next point is the physiochemical properties of alkaloid. First, with a few exceptions, all the alkaloids are colorless crystalline solid with a sharp melting point. Second, some are amorphous gum, while other like nicotine is a liquid and volatile in nature. Third, the nitrogen atom carries an unshared pair of electrons which is responsible for the basicity of such a compound. Fourth properties is the degree of basicity varies greatly depending on the structure on the molecule and the presence and location of other functional group. Fifth point is the alkaloid are usually insoluble or sparingly soluble in water, but their salt form on a reaction with an acid are usually freely soluble. Sixth point is the last point. The alkaloid salt are insoluble in non-polar solvent like ether, chloroform, whereas the free alkaloid are usually soluble. Then next point is the functions of alkaloid. They are of no importance and may be regarded as byproduct of a plant metabolism. Second, they may act as reservoir for protein synthesis. Third, they may act as the protective substance against the animal or insect attack. Last point, like hormone, they may function as a plant stimulant or regulator in activities like growth, metabolism and reproduction. In our syllabus, 4 alkaloids are included, namely as reserpine, nicotine, papaverine and morphine. Today we are start of the alkaloid which is reserpine. This is the structure of reserpine. The reserpine is isolated from Rauwolfia species. Next, it is used for controlling the hypertension, epilepsy, dizziness or the headache. Then next is the next point is the structure evaluation of the reserpine. The molecular formula of reserpine is C33H40N2O9. Then first reaction in the reserpine is the reserpine molecule on treated with HI, then there will be the formation of 5-methyl iodide molecule. This method is used for determining the OCH3 group. When any compound is treated with HI, the name of this method is the Gisel's method. This reaction shows that the in the reserpine molecule 5-methoxy group are present. The next point is the reserpine is the weak base. Base means electron are easily donated, but reserpine molecule is a weak base, then electron are not easily donated. This show that the nitrogen are present in the reserpine and lone pair of nitrogen are not easily available. Hence, lone pair are involved in the resonance. This show that the nitrogen atom must be involved in the ring. Then next reaction is the reserpine on a hydrolysis. In the presence of sodium hydroxide, it gives methanol 3,4,5 trimethoxybenzoic acid and monoacetyl compound named as the reserpic acid. This product shows that the one is methanol, second is the acid, and third is the monoacidic compound. This monoacidic compound in one OH group shows that the ester group are present in the reserpine or 2 ester linkage in the reserpine. Then next reaction is the reserpine is undergo the treated with the lithium aluminum hydrate. It is a good reducing agent. It gives the methanol 3,4,5 trimethoxybenzyl alcohol and reserpic alcohol. 3,4,5 trimethoxybenzyl alcohol is the reduced product of 3,4,5 trimethoxybenzoic acid and reserpic alcohol is the reduced product of reserpic acid. This reaction also show that confirm that the reserpine is the 2 ester linkage are present. All the above discussion in the reserpine 5-O-methoxy group in reserpine molecule contain 5-O-methoxy group. No alcohol molecule is present. It is present one nitrogen atom that is confirmed in the reaction is monoacetyl product. That is, nitrogen is the part of ring and no free nitrogen is present. And last point is the 2 ester linkage are present, which is confirmed that the reaction of basic hydrolysis and the reduction. Then next point is the structure evaluation of reserpic acid. The molecular formula of reserpic acid is the C22H28N2O5. Next point is the reserpic acid is treated with silver nitrate. Then there will be the evaluation of CO2 gas and decomposition of silver metal. The evaluation of CO2 gas shows that the reserpic acid contain 1 monocarboxylic acid are present in the reserpic acid. Then next reaction is the reserpic acid on a treatment with oxygen, that is oxidation, it gives the ketone. When acid present in secondary alcohol, then it gives confirm the ketone. So this reaction is confirmed that the reserpic acid contain 1 secondary alcohol is present. The next reaction is the reserpic acid on heating with HI, it gives the 2-methoxy iodide. This reaction shows that the reserpic acid contain the 2-methoxy group. The next point is the reserpic acid contain the 2 nitrogen. One is the tertiary and other is the secondary nitrogen. Reserpic acid on treated with lithium aluminum hydrate gives the reserpic alcohol. In reserpic alcohol present the 2 methoxy group, 1 alcohol group and 1 methanol group. Reserpic acid on oxidation with KMnO4 gives this compound. The name of this compound is 5-methoxy N-oxyl benzoic acid. Shows that the methoxy group and NH group is present in meta to each other. Reserpic acid on fusion with KOH, it gives the 5-hydroxy isothalic acid. This reaction shows that the OH group and 2 acid group are all meta to each other. Reserpic acid on oxidation with KMnO4, it gives 5-methoxy N-oxyl benzoic acid. But this compound is confirmed from when methoxy group and NH group are meta to each other and any indole derivative are present. That means reserpic acid is the indole derivative. The last reaction is the methyl reserpate. Methyl reserpate is the ester of the reserpic acid. It is the dehydrogenation in the presence of selenium. It gives the iobirine.